Yo, what's up, guys? I'll be showing you guys how to get BMXR live and go live on your YouTube channel. Now, since you guys saw me going live, that wasn't me, it was my brother. But this is how you get BMXR. So first, go on store. Sorry if I haven't posted in a while. Search up BMXR live. Then you should see the first one. Click on it. Then it should say like download. I already have it, but press download, and once you get it, like press start. It should like let's hmm, then you're gonna have to like press go live. Um, it should just it should say like you need to sign into your YouTube channel, do all of that, and then it should bring you like right here. Don't if you only have a like YouTube account, but you could only do one so this or like this. If you only have a Twitch account, you could do only do this. But if you have both, you could only do one, but you can't pick both. So what I recommend you guys doing is doing RTMP/stream keys. Then you click right here. It should like you go on your like YouTube created channel. I'm not gonna do this by the way, guys, because I'm underage to go live. But then like it should like you open up this. Now don't mess with anything else. But like you wanna like copy this. Like he told me how to do this stuff. He told me to copy this and paste it into here. Then put this in. And then once you put this in, confirm, and then I do if you whatever you have it as, you could do it. Then you put first, then you put like whatever game like you're playing. So like Animal Company. Yeah, and then you put in a string title. It puts it as that username, and then press go live, and then it should like say like share screen. Press entire view, and then like come on if you go on your browser, go to YouTube account. And again the live, it should say that you're live, and then like you could click on it, but like I'd recommend you guys not doing that because it will break the audio. But what I not click on it. I just check when if like you're live. Then if it should like make your string total as well, like whatever. But like I'm not gonna go. But that's how you make your live. But yeah, bye.